Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we are showing you 12 creative color themed cake design from bold red to soft pastel, from neon light to elegant monochromes. Get ready for a world full of color and cake magic. The first one is red velvet cake. Deep, romantic, rich, bold, and perfect for romantic celebrations. The next one is orange citrus splash cake. Bright orange frosting with citrus slices, orange zest, and pop of summer. Great for tropical themselves. The next is yellow sunshine cake. Layers of soft yellow sponge, sunflower piping, lemon decorations, and happy vibe all around. The next one is green garden cake. Green umber layer topped with matcha frosting, mint leaf, and greeny fresh leaves. Earthy and elegant. The next is blueberry ocean cake. A cool blue cake with wave of buttercream, blueberries, and white chocolate. Seashells perfect for ocean lovers. The next is purple fantasy cake. A dreamy purple with cake with lilac tone, lavender petals, and silver details, pure and magic. The next is monochrome black cake. All black designs with black buttercream, dark chocolate drips, and bold textures. Modern, edgy, and elegant. The next is white and white cake. A clean and classy look with white flowers, pearls, and soft ruffles. Perfect for weddings and or minimalist themes. The next is pastel rainbow cake. Soft pink, blue, yellow, mint and smooth pastel tones. Add clouds, stars, and unicorn toppers for a magical finish. The next is sunset umber cake. Shade of pink, orange, and purple blended like a sunset. Add golden accent for an extra warmth. The next is multicolored strip cake. Each layer or section of cake is different bold color, perfect for kids' parties or pride celebrations. The next is neon pop cake. Use black frostings as a base and add bright neon colored drips, sprinkles or pipe shapes, bold and eye-catching. Those were our 12 creative theme cakes, from soft petals to glowing neons, classy white to dramatic blacks. Which one is your favorite? Tell us in a comment below, and don't forget to like this video and share with your loved ones. Subscribe and ring the bell for all more cake inspirations only on free. Thank you for watching and keep coloring your cake with joy. See you in the next sweet video soon. Goodbye.